Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia and I love making videos about being a social media marketer, working in marketing, living in Buffalo, eating gluten-free, fashion, all the things. So hi if you're new here, or welcome back. I'm really excited because today I'm gonna bring you along for a little treat myself afternoon. This morning I did a 2-hour workshop.
Well, let's rewind.
Took the day off from Now Marketing Group today to kind of have a day for me because I had a workshop this morning to do. I am a public speaker and I did a 2-hour long. This is my second time doing this workshop and I did it for the University of Buffalo Center for Entrepreneurial Leadership. It's an incredible program that they offer to business owners to really help them to go to the next level with their business, and they have different kinds of classes and programs depending on where people are at in their business. And so I am just so grateful that they invited me to come lead a workshop for them. It's the longest public speaking engagement I've ever done. Going for 2 hours is quite a long time, and in the second hour of the workshop I break them up into groups and they work on stuff, and so it's a really it's
an interactive workshop.
Timing of everything worked out perfectly the first time I did this workshop, and today I definitely felt like I needed to have tightened things up a little bit at the start. And it's just hard, once you break a group out, it's hard to get them to kind of come back and quiet down and get back into things. So I'm learning that. One of the things I love about being a public speaker is that you're constantly learning and evolving. Every single time I speak, I learn more. And I had a speaking engagement last week at the University of Buffalo. I spoke to one of the graduate classes for the School of Management, and that's on the North Campus, whereas today I was downtown for the Center of Entrepreneurial Leadership campus. And so it's just so fun to be involved with UB in the first place. I just love getting to give back and to get opportunities to speak for free, and I volunteer, as well as getting opportunities to lead workshops and get paid to do so. It's just such an honor, and it's such a full circle thing for me because I went to UB and I remember seeing different people come and speak and looking up to them and learning so much from them, and so it feels so good for me to be able to provide value. And it's just so great to get the chance to speak because I get in sponge mode. I really do spend so many hours after a public speaking gig, analyzing how I showed up, what I could have done better so that the next time I'm a better speaker. And so I realized since I'm going to be in analysis mode today, I wanted to take the day off. So I'm treating myself to the day. And so I figured I'd bring you guys along because
it's just been a great day.
I want to document it. I'm so proud of myself for how I showed up at this workshop. It just feels really good. So I want to treat myself. It is raining out. But I'm not gonna let that, nothing's gonna rain on my parade, literally, not even rain.
It's gonna rain on my parade, so.
I am treating myself to lunch at Betty's. I'm so excited, it's the best. We're gonna go to Betty's. I'm gonna get myself some food, bring you guys along, have a little solo lunch date. I made some content already. I'm just having,
oh my God, it's gonna be pouring. Oh no.
Oh God. What do I do now? I don't want to drive in this. I guess it's not that far. Okay, no. We're not gonna let this, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
That you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. Whatever you like, you don't have to be ready.
Oh my gosh, that was so lovely. And the sun is starting to come back out. That was amazing. I sat and read my book the entire time. I am reading Daisy Jones and the Six by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I literally just started it and I am on page 66.
It's very good.
I already don't want it to end. And there are like 350 pages. I'm like,
oh my god, I already don't want it to end. I need to be reading slower.
but at the same time, I just want to keep reading it because it's really good so far. So,
oh, that was so nice.
just, you know, treating myself to lunch, sitting down, reading, just taking myself out on a solo date. I think it's so important for people to do that, for us to all take time to ourselves, for no other reason than because that's what we want to do. Just had like a really nice leisurely lunch. Because I'm off, I don't have to worry about the time or even think about it. I was just realizing, like, I don't even know what time it is. It's 2:50, almost 3. Tonight, Matt and I are gonna go to Matt's mom's for dinner, which I'm really excited to get to see her and hang out. So I'm gonna go home. I think I'm gonna read more, maybe do a few things around the house. Yeah, I'm not sure, so let's head home. Right, so I just parked at home and I was thinking, I was like, what do I wanna do for these next 3 hours that I have before we go over to Matt's mom's for dinner? So I definitely know that I'm gonna wanna end up like taking my makeup off and putting on cozier clothes for tonight. And I wanna do a little reading. I may even work on editing some content, because if you know me,
I'm a content nerd.
I love creating content. So yeah, I might do some editing.
There's sun right now. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now.
Like beyond. So yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of, oh my God, my friend Christy is walking her little puppy Charlie right now, so we're gonna go say hi to Charlie. And if you watch the vlogs, you've seen Charlie before. Hi! Hi, little baby! Oh my God, look at you, you're so cute! Hi! You're just a baby!
You don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be.
Just edited a day in my life, kind of my like pre-speaking engagement prep. Made a little reel, aka piece of short form content that I'm gonna put out on YouTube, Reels, and TikTok. I need to cut a few seconds of it for YouTube, but I'm gonna record the voiceover right now. Oh, and fun fact, I always go into the bedroom and like close the door. The bedroom has like some of the best sound in the apartment, so I always go into the bedroom to record my voiceovers. Come along with me for a day in the life as a public speaker. Start out the day with athletic greens and doing a meditation to really visualize the engagement going amazing.
Gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see.
Okay, doing the voiceover for that content took so much longer than I expected. People always underestimate how long it takes to create content. You think like, oh, it's just a little reel. It took me like 15 minutes to edit the footage, and then probably another
20 minutes to do the voiceover and like make it
for TikTok and for Instagram, and I wanted to do it 2 different ways for Instagram, so I like got all those drafts made and everything like that. So that's all done.
which feels amazing.
And now I'm feeling like, I feel like my face is getting all clogged and stuff like that, like my skin. So I think I'm gonna take my makeup off for the day and like get a little bit cozier. Also, I need to charge my phone. My phone is gonna die. I also need to polo my best friend and tell her about the engagement. So we're gonna do like all those things, like right now. Hi, it went so well today. It went so well today. Girl, it was so good. I'm so happy with how it went. I'm feeling good. And I'm vlogging. Literally vlogging, like I'm vlogging this.
Proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta try.
All my Swifties and all my girlies.
You guys, Matt's like making up an ending to this vlog. I realized
I literally heard it.
I just watched the last clip, and the last clip is me having washed my face. So
I heard you record a clip. You probably washed your face after that because I listened to it well on my call earlier.
okay, well, we don't know whether I ended the vlog or not.
I didn't hear you watch anything, so I didn't hear any audio.
I don't know,
Oh.
but I'm just saying I don't think I ended this vlog.
Two
So
vlog endings.
what?
2 vlog endings.
We ended up going to Matt's mom's for dinner. It was really nice, and now we're home. It is 8:15. Matt just lit a candle, and I'm gonna go down and check the mail. And I really don't think I ended this vlog yet. So if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.